Hello, my name is Arya Mardika. My student number is 014. I will analyze the helicopter scene from the Dictator 2012. This scene shows intercultural communication problems, including stereotypes, power imbalance, and misunderstandings. Intercultural communication happens when people from different cultures talk to each other. Misunderstandings can happen when people don't understand each other's culture or communication styles, which we will see in this scene. In this scene, Aladdin and Nadal speak in Arabic about Bin Laden and 9/11. The passengers misinterpret this as a threat. They also mistake Aladdin's back brace for a bomb, and when he counts in English, they think he is starting an attack. Aladdin and Nadal's cultural identity is shaped by their physical looks, such as their beards and Arabic features. The passengers assume they are dangerous because of these features, linking them to stereotypes about terrorism. This scene shows stereotypes that connect people who speak Arabic or have Middle Eastern features with terrorism. The passengers are scared because they believe these stereotypes. The passengers hear Arabic words like Bin Laden and 9/11 and think the worst, even though Aladdin and Nadal are just talking about a car and a meeting. Aladdin's back brace is mistaken for a bomb. This shows how object or body language can be misunderstood when people don't understand each other's culture. His hand gestures also make the passengers more afraid. By using Hofstede's value dimensions, we can see a difference between cultures. In Middle Eastern cultures, people may be okay with some uncertainty, while Western cultures avoid uncertainty and may be scared of things they don't understand. The power in this situation is unbalanced. The passengers feel scared and powerless because they think Aladdin could be dangerous. This fear stops them from thinking clearly and communicating well. This scene happens in a time after the 9/11 attacks, when people are more suspicious of Middle Eastern individuals. The passengers' fear of terrorism shapes how they react to Aladdin and Nadal. The misunderstanding happens because the passengers don't understand Arabic and don't realize the back brace isn't a bomb. They also wrongly think that Aladdin's counting in English means he is starting a bombing. And because of these misunderstandings, the passengers panic thinking they are in danger. This shows how stereotypes and fear can make small problems into bigger ones. The helicopter ride scene uses humor to show how fear and stereotypes can be ridiculous. However, it also uses these stereotypes to create comedy, which can make harmful ideas seem normal. This scene also shows why it's important to be aware of other cultures. If the passengers understood more about Middle Eastern culture, they wouldn't have reacted in such a scared way. But Aladdin could have communicated better by speaking more clearly in English and explaining what he meant. Because when people speak the same language, misunderstandings are less likely. Media can help break stereotypes by showing diverse and positive views of people. If more media showed real, accurate stories, people might stop linking Arabic speakers to terrorism. By learning about other cultures can help people communicate better. This would help avoid misunderstandings like thinking a bag breeze is a bomb or misinterpreting someone counting in English. And because of that, the helicopter ride scene shows problems like prejudice and fear of other cultures. Misunderstandings based on these fears can cause unnecessary problems between groups. So, we've learned that cultural identity, stereotypes, and power imbalance affect how people communicate. Being aware of these things can help improve communication and reduce misunderstandings. And to wrap up, intercultural communication is important for understanding each other in a diverse world. By being aware of stereotypes and learning about different cultures, we can create better relationships.